Welcome back to the SPRO video channel. Today we have an important update regarding our recorders. Previously, our recorders only captured the mainstream by default. However, our latest recorders now have substream recording activated by default as well. In this video, we'll discuss a few key points to keep in mind if you choose to continue using substream recording, but we'll also show you how to disable it if necessary. The first thing to bear in mind when using the DMSS app with substream recording enabled is that it will automatically display the substream during playback. Please note that this may result in a slightly reduced video quality when compared to the mainstream. For optimal playback quality on the mobile app, you can manually switch to the mainstream in the app settings. To do this, follow these steps. Press the three dots next to the relevant security system and then Device Details. Press Stream Settings, then press Playback and change it to the Main option. Then hit OK and save. The second thing to bear in mind is that recording both the mainstream and the substream will increase your hard drive usage, since you'll effectively be storing two copies of the footage. While this ensures continuous recording and availability of video data, it will impact your storage capacity. If you have concerns about storage limitations or primarily rely on the mainstream for surveillance purposes, you can choose to disable substream recording. So let's now walk you through how to do that on an SPRO recorder if required. Within the Recorders menu, you'll want to navigate to Storage and then Record Mode, and then under the Substream heading, you'll find a list of channels. For each channel, switch the option to Off, and once you've set the substream to Off for all desired channels, remember to click the Apply button to save your changes. You've now successfully disabled substream recording on your SPRO recorder. In conclusion, the new default substream recording ensures continuous playback even when viewing footage from multiple cameras. However, it's important to note that it may impact storage capacity and the default playback quality on the mobile app. Nevertheless, you have the flexibility to disable substream recording if you prefer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos from us here at SPRO.